Hello guys. So I've just received my new helmet and this is the first time I've ordered a helmet online. So let's see how it goes. This I've ordered from the Moto Central store is in Pune. They have an online store from where you can order. It took around I think 7 days, 7 or 8 days for this to reach to me. The packaging looks good. It says studs, but it's definitely not studs. Let's see what it is. This is the helmet. Okay, and yeah, that's my detective cap. This is the Motul helmet cleaner, which I've also ordered along with the helmet. So it's not for free. That's the helmet. So it's actually from KYT, and we get some booklets, user manual in multiple languages, and then key tag from Moto Central. Thank you for that. And okay, one, what do we call it, skull cap, again from Moto Central. That's very nice of them. And okay, one sticker as well from Moto Central. And yep, so that's the bill. Yep, so that's the KYT NFR helmet. And okay, it has got a lot of padding inside. Yep, so that's a good thing. I was worried about this, that it might get damaged, but yeah, look at this packaging. It's not gonna get damaged in this, no way. Okay, and this is the cover, the carrying case. But the problem is, I don't think you can hang it around your shoulder. Yep, definitely not. It's very small compared to what I have from Scorpion or even MT. They have a bigger thread to carry around. Yeah, so that's the helmet now. I have ordered an L size, so normally if we look at the chart, so the size chart, I should be wearing a M size helmet, but what happens is I have a, so the back side of my head, it's a little large. That's the problem, and I find M to be very uncomfortable. Even the Scorpion, I have it in L size, but still it keeps on digging inside my head. So I have to push that the liner inside, the EPS liner. Yeah, so I have to push it with my thumb to stop it digging inside my head. So yeah, it's finally out and it looks nice. Look at it. It looks sexy. Yep, so it's size L. NFR is the model. And yep, it comes with this sun visor. and it's very large. It almost covers the entire opening. And yep, that's the okay. So it says pin lock, but I'm not sure. I don't think it's installed already. Yeah, it's not there. Definitely, it's not there. So yeah, maybe we'll have to purchase that separately. And okay, and that is the vent. It's got some metal mesh kind of thing. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, everywhere it's like that. The metal mesh is in the front, even in the side. It's kind of a metallic finish. I'm not sure if it's metal or something else, but yeah, it looks like metal. Yep, it looks nice. The color looks good, really. Let's see what it says behind. Okay, that's a sticker. It says size L, 1500 grams, and yeah, the most important thing, it has a ISI sticker. Bangalore police won't stop you. Okay, these vents, it kind of lacks that clicky, and it just slides without any feel to it, without the if it's locked or not. The left one has that feel slightly, but right one, it's kind of weird actually. Yeah, this has that feeling, the clicky feel. Yeah, this has that, but yeah, these vents, this has somewhat the left one. Okay, no, the right one, and yeah, this left one, it just slides. There's no clicky feeling to it. Padding looks nice, I would say, and this has this sliding, no dealing, kind of strange. Okay, let's look at the internals. Yeah, the padding looks nice. It's decent, and we have pockets for the speakers. These are the emergency release cheek pads, so I think we just pull it out and then it comes out in case of an emergency, but people should be knowing that it has that. And yeah, for that there is a sticker. It feels decent, I would say, not very great inside. Also, the paint quality, it looks okay. It's not, for some reason it doesn't feel very premium. I don't know why. So that's my Scorpion. So if you look at the padding quality and everything, it feels a lot better, but the price is also 2 times, so that's there. This, like I was telling, right, so this has that proper feel to it. Even the sun visor, it has that tension, you can feel it, but that's not very much in that. It's okay, but not as good as the Scorpion. Definitely quality is better for the price in the Scorpion. Yep, so that's about it. So maybe I'll try it over the weekends. I'll see how it feels on a road trip, small trip. Maybe I can do something, and then yeah, I can give a proper comparison between the KYT NFR and the Scorpion XO 1200, and also my good old MT Revenge. This feels very good. Still after years, the padding and everything, it's very well built, I would say. Yep. So now I have 3 helmets to choose from, and I'll be trying this KYT over the next few days. So this will be my primary helmet for the next few days, and I'll see how it goes. I'll try to do a short review if possible on how it feels compared to a 7K helmet and a 28K helmet. This one cost 14K, So one which costs half of it and one which costs double of it. So I'll definitely try to do a short comparison. So stay tuned for that. And yep, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.